Taking more photos doesn't always mean you're making more progress. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. One of the biggest benefits of visualization is that it reduces random shooting, and if you're a beginner, that could be a game changer. When you don't yet trust your eye, it's very tempting to shoot everything. More frames, more angles, and more hope. And we've all been there. But here's the takeaway. Random shooting might be busy, but it isn't always productive. Visualization gives you a target. Instead of asking, I wondered if this works, you start asking, will waiting make this work better? That's a very different question. Think of it like this. Random shooting is a bit like throwing paint at a wall and hoping a picture appears. Visualization is sketching first, then painting with intent. When you visualize, you shoot fewer frames, review with more clarity, learn faster, and most importantly, you start to trust yourself. And that self-trust is what moves you from guessing to creating. If you'd like to learn more about visualization, check out episode 8 of my Ultimate Checklist series here. So when you're out with your camera, do you shoot a load of frames and hope one works? Or are you starting to wait for the photo you actually want? Let me know in the comments. I read and respond to everyone. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you soon.